How to fix you can't use this feature right now, Facebook error. So guys, in this video I'll show you step by step on how to fix an error message that you are getting which says you can't use this feature right now on your Facebook account. So to fix this problem, all you have to do now, you need to follow this video step by step. So all you have to do now, the first step all you have to do after you open the Facebook, after you open your mobile phone, before you open the Facebook app, now go and update your Facebook app. Go to Play Store, App Store, and search for Facebook like this and update your Facebook app. After you update the Facebook app now like this, now go back. Now before you open the Facebook, now go ahead and restart your mobile phone. Go ahead and restart your mobile phone. So after you restart your device, now open the Facebook like this. After you open the Facebook like this, now from there your problem may be solved. But if you try this method and still you are getting problem, your problem has not been solved. Now try the second method. So the second method to fix the problem, all you have to do now open the Facebook app like this. After you open the Facebook app like this, now go back and tap on this menu at the top. After you come to this menu, now scroll to down and tap on this logout button. Now log out on your Facebook account. After you log out on your Facebook account, now before you log in, now scroll to down and change the internet connection. Sometimes this problem causes because you have poor internet connection. So poor internet connection used to cause this problem of you can't use this feature right now. So now go ahead now, if you are using Wi-Fi, change it to another Wi-Fi. Or if you are using like your mobile phone data, change it to another line or change it to Wi-Fi to test it. After you change the internet connection, now you have a strong internet connection. Now go back and open up your Facebook app and try to make some action on your Facebook. From there, your Facebook account has been solved. But if you try this method and still it's not working for you, now you need to try this last method. So the last method to fix this problem is all you have to do now. After you open now your Facebook app like this now, you need to stop doing 4 things. You need to stop following people, like liking people or comment. You need to stop commenting on other people's posts on Facebook. You need to stop accepting friend requests, and you need to stop sending friend requests. If you stop doing all these things for like 3 days, from there your Facebook account will start working properly. And the reason why is Facebook account used to give you this error message which says you can't use this feature right now is because you are doing too much action on your Facebook account in a short period of time. You are doing too much action on your Facebook account in a short time. Means that you are following people much more, you are liking more people posts, you are commenting much more on Facebook, like you are sharing more posts on Facebook, and your account is not a big account. So by doing these things, Facebook will think that this account is a robot account most of the time, because robot account are the account that are used to make all those action in a short period of time. So but if you are a real human, you need to stop doing comment, liking posts and sharing posts and adding people to your friends or sending friend requests for like 4 days or 3 days. If you try this method, it will work for you. That's it, guys. But if you try all this method and still you are having problem, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to help you to find a solution for you. But I'm sure if you try one of this method, it will work for you. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.